Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can recover the deleted photos videos from our iPhone. You guys can see here, this is my iPhone 10 and this method will be supported on any iPhone. So let's start without any problem, let's proceed. So first of all, you guys can see here, let's assume I deleted my photos accidentally, how you can recover them, how you can get back these photos. So in order to, let me show you that. Let's assume I have deleted this photo of mine, right? And now I want to get back that photo. So in order to get back, in order to recover, I just need to just simply swipe up and just open the Photos app again and just jump to the album section here. So make sure in the home page in the album section, and after that you just need to swipe up. So just swipe all the way up and you will see the media types here, video, selfie, portrait, and just swipe all the way up and you will see other albums. And now here are the options of recent deleted. Just open this one and you see that your recent deleted photos will be available here. So now in order to recover them, I just need to tap on select button here and just tap the photo or video you want to recover. So let's assume I would like to recover this photo. I just need to tap on that photo and click on recover. If you want to recover all of these photos, you can just simply select and click on recover all and you will be good to go. So let's assume I would like to recover this photo. I'll just select this and click on recover photo, and that's it. This photo will be recovered and jumped into the recent section, and here's that photo that I recovered right now. So this is the very simple fix. So if your photos has been deleted in the recent deleted section too, now guys, there is no any simple process to recover that photos. So in order to get back that photos, you have to just simply jump to the just deep recovery process, and literally that will be very easy and that will not be free method. So the only way you can free is this one. So that was the video. Hope you guys find this method helpful. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.